If you opened your email today, you may have seen the signs of something new in this 21st century world. Is it possible that the most powerful army today is not military, but a collection of celebrities, students, and ordinary people trying to transform human rights around the globe? Someone probably sent you the video shining a spotlight on a brutal warlord in Africa, Joseph Kony. It was posted on Monday, and as of this moment, it has been seen nearly 40 million times. Is this the new way to move the world to action? Here's ABC's Cecilia Vega.
It's a stunning YouTube sensation, a true phenomenon, a viral video with an unusual mission to bring down one of Africa's most ruthless warlords.
We are going to make Joseph Kony a household name.
Kony is the leader of the Lord's Resistance Army, which has terrorized Uganda, forcing thousands of girls to become sex slaves and young boys to kill. Behind the movie, a group called Invisible Children, the filmmaker waging his own war.
We want him captured and alive for the trial at the International Criminal Court. That's what we're asking for.
The film urged viewers to call, email, tweet 32 culture and policymakers, from George Clooney to Lady Gaga to Bill Clinton. The idea? To create a celebrity army to enlist even more supporters. And it worked. The video was posted on YouTube Monday. Then Tuesday, filmmakers say the Oprah effect kicked in. As she and other stars like Justin Bieber and Ryan Seacrest tweeted about it, the number of clicks skyrocketed, passing the 25 million mark yesterday, sweeping past 38 million today.
You guys have half an hour of your life. Just watch that video.
At 1.4% of all tweets were about Kony's crimes. It is quite simply a phenomenon.
We do spend money on our films and on our advocacy and awareness, and we're proud of that. We're not ashamed of that.
His mission, he says, is simple. Nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. Cecilia Vega, ABC News, Los Angeles.